This is Physi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off, how to disable auto capitalization on Macbook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. By default, your Mac will automatically capitalize certain words such as the beginning of a sentence, a technical term, or a city's name. While this is usually helpful, on my previous video I've shown you how to turn on this auto capitalize. So now what if you want to turn this off? It's so simple. You can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. Now you can go to keyboard section by click on keyboard in here. And you can go from keyboard, you can go to text section, and you'll find there is an option capitalize word automatically. You can turn off by remove the checklist on here. So now your auto capitalize on your MacBook has been disabled. It's so simple, right? So when you write on your when you type anything on your MacBook says no one auto capitalize the word. It's so simple, right? So that is how to turn off auto capitalization on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.